Alright, welcome back everyone. So it's the middle of the week. You got some food on the stove. Maybe some friends are coming over. Looking for a bottle of wine. Yellow Tail. Great product. We have the Cabernet, the Merlot. I think today we're going to open the Merlot. It'll go really well with some of the food that we're having, including the chili on the stove. Yellowtail is pretty interesting. It's an Australian wine. They've been making wine for generations, but they really went from being a small-time winery into one of the largest producing and most sold bottles because of their unique advertisement. So at a time when wine was really not approachable and it was very kind of snobbish, they went ahead and simplified everything. So they have color-coded labels so that you can find what you're looking for. Once you know you like it, you can walk down the aisle and say Cabernet's red, Merlot's yellow. They have others like Shiraz, I think is purple, and some other mixes. But they took all the pretentiousness out of their bottle and their packaging. There's a dry to sweet scale here on the back, which is pretty nice. So we can look at this and say, hey, it's not completely dry and it's not sweet either, so this is probably going to be a good Merlot. They've also put in flavor profile, which is great. Now, I don't have to guess. I know that this is going to be flavored with dark plum, mulberries, and spice. It says, enjoy with antipas, good times, and great friends. Sounds good to me. Let's open it up. Let's give it a try. Just pull the top off there. The cork. Looks like it's synthetic cork. Not a big deal. You know, these are relatively inexpensive bottles of wine too as well. So I think we picked these up for about $5 a piece. So they're really nice to, like I said, if you're not doing like a big steak or an important dinner or anything like that, just open one of these up, middle of the week, no special occasion, just to have something nice to drink, complement the food. There's the cork there. You can see they got the kangaroo. Actually, that's probably a better way to look at it. Smells nice. We have our glass. I have a stemless glass here. It's just easier to handle. Well, it's got a nice ruby color to it. Plenty of berry smell in there. Good. You can see the alcohol rim there at the top, so we know there's alcohol in there. Light's coming through. This is a young wine. It's a 2019. These Yellowtails are not meant to age 5, 10, 15 years. It's buy from the supermarket, pop it open and drink it. Yeah, definitely has a little bit of spice on the end. They weren't kidding there. It's not it's not overbearing. It's actually very nice. This is going to go well with the chili. Yeah, berries. Very good Merlot, especially for $5. You may also want to take this to the house of the family that you went to see, you know, maybe last Christmas, and you brought an expensive bottle of wine and they put that one in the cabinet and served you something else. Bring them this the next time. But all joking aside, this is very approachable. Great wine for somebody who doesn't usually drink wines. So that'll give you a little bit of an easier, less expensive way to try some of the wines out and see what you like and what you don't like. But from Merlot, I would endorse this. I'm sure the Cabernet is going to be just as good. We'll try that one. Maybe we'll do a separate video. Again, Yellowtail, Australian family, cornered the market by making things easy to read, digest, and understand. So just for a quick example, here this is a newer label for them. It just has the flavor profile right there in red. It's awesome. You can't go wrong. $5. If you don't like it, it's not a big deal. But this is something that we'll probably slowly enjoy, you know, with our dinner, and maybe finish the other half of the bottle tomorrow or whatever. But yeah, buzz with your cuz. Don't forget to subscribe to this. It might be over there. Nope, I'm sorry, that way. Or is it that way? I don't know. Find the subscribe button, push it, share it. Let us know in the comments what your favorite table wine is. What's an everyday drinker for you? And maybe we'll try it. We'll get it online. I'm going to go enjoy this. You should too.